So here we have conditions first OBS equal to 1 and OBS equal to 5. Means we are subsetting from first observation to fifth observation from Alfred to Henry. So we have same observations again. Okay. So from this both data sets we have these observations. And next here we have conditions. If A and age equal to 14, then TRT equal to drug A, else TRT equal to drug B. So we have here TRT, a new variable created here, that is TRT. So in this, if A means, so first five observations these
Right.
came from A data set, right? If A
Yes.
and age equal to 14, that is drug A
A.
in the TRT variable. So it was populated here for all 14
Is
observations. Okay. And next we have else drug B, right?
yes.
Remaining of we get drug B. And totally how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We get 10 observations in the same order. So let's run this data set and check. So you can see
Yes.
now 10 observations. So drug A was printed for 3 persons. Okay. Same like here. Any questions for this question? So any doubts for this question?
No. No.
So let's move with another one. Question 3. So here proc frequency noted age into sex.
Yes.
Okay. So we will get the counts of sex variable based on age, right? Here analysis variable
Yes.
is sex. So so we will get 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I think 16 was not, 16 belongs to male. Okay. So first we will get female data. Next we will get male data. Okay. So next we will get the count of sex. Here in the new variable we will get count. In this we get the 11 counts per female and 12 counts per female, 13 counts per female, 14 counts per female, 15 counts per female, like this. We also get text variable also here. The data set name is week. Okay, so the sorting order was different here. So for 11 age, it was came for female and male. Okay, so basically it was sorted by age, not by sex. Okay, so for age 11 for female we will get the counts, for age 11 male we will get the counts, for age 12 female we get the counts. So first we will get the counts of females and next we will get the counts of age. So like this. Okay, any doubts here?
No.
Next we have question 4. So set Faisal dot class if sex equal to F, if age equal to 14, if sex equal to M, then gender equal to male. So here so we will take the first condition if sex equal to F. So all F was subsetted first from the data. We have 9 observations. Okay, we have 9 observations here. In next it was dual subset age equal to 14. So in this age equal to 14 we have
2 records.
2 observations. Okay, and next we have another condition if sex equal to M then gender equal to male. So new variable will be created. In this there is no male, so just it will get the blank values here, the gender variable. Get 2 observations. Okay, these 2 are Carol and
Yes.
June.
Enjoy it.
So can see in the age,
Yes.
in the gender variable, it was empty. Next, fifth question. So here, for this question, I have given to write output and log issues.
Yes.
So
Output would be age only.
what log issue will we get here? And the what is,
Replaced. Where clause replaced.
yeah, that is a log issue. And
Yes.
what is the output will we get here?
Age equal to 15.
Yeah, only this where condition will work. So this where condition was replaced with this condition. So we will get 15 age to people, that is 1, 2, and we have only the next year 3. 1, 2,
Age equals
3,
4.
4, 4. We will get 4 observations and the issue here. So what we have? Error where class operator requires compatible variables. So you have to see another one. Why this issue came here? Where class operator requires compatible variables.
Where is close operator? Because where set option not used. I mean,
So whenever we are
Also-
working with where condition, so we have to write condition on the same variable type only. So here the age variable was numeric,
Okay.
but we have given condition in character. So if we remove these quotations here, we will get the issue that you said. So you can see here where class has been replaced and we get four observations. So because of these
Yes.
quotations, so,
Quotation. Okay.
so it was trying that age variable was character, but in the data we have numeric variable. So
Numeric.
that so that's
Yes.
why we are getting this note where class operator requires compatible variables. Okay,
Yes.
so we have to check every minute thing here.
Yes.
Next question 6. So for this question also I have given to write log issue and out. So what is the log issue here? Hello,
Yes.
what
Here
is the
it is
log?
used as keep is used as both as a statement and option also.
Yes.
So
So we can use like this. No issues are there by using multiple keep
yes.
statements. There is no issue. So you can see the variable age in keep, drop, keep, or remove has never been referenced because you can see in these two statements. So first this statement will work. Okay. After this, the output data set statement will work. So when this statement works, so we have only one variable that is check. So after this variable, this keep statement was trying to execute. So here what we have age and sex, but we have left with only sex variable. So there was no age variable, right? So we are getting issue for this variable. So variable age in drop, keep, or remove list has never been referenced. Okay, this issue was coming because here by using keep statement we have subsetted the variables. We have subsetted only one variable, but here we are trying to get two variables. So that's why we are getting this way. Suppose here if I give both
Yes.
age and name here, so now how many variables will we get?
Three. Name age 6.
So as I said, first this statement will work. After this statement will work. Output data set statement will work. So here we have three variables: name, age, and sex. Three variables were subsetted. After this, here in this
This is
keep
what
statement, we have
agents.
only two variables. So we will get only these two variables and we will not get any issues in the log. So you can see we have two variables and 19 observations. Okay.
Yes.
So previously this error was coming because we have given the variable in the keep statement that that do not present in that data step. Okay.
Yes.
And next question I have question 7. Data CHK at set class or back class no is equal to total n equal to final n equal to total last equal to final. We have this. So for this question I have given you to write the first line of PDB. Okay.
Yes.
So basically, without all these options, how do we have the first line of PDB?
N equal to 1.
So we have first name equal to Alfred.
Yes.
After this, we have six variable like this. Six or eight. We have six variable only.
Name is X age.
Six equal to one.
Age equals to 13. I think.
Yes, 13 or 14. Okay. Next we have height, I think.
Yes.
So height is something less than
Right.
145 pounds. Next we have
Wait.
weight equal to something like this. Next we have underscore error underscore equal to 0. Next we have
0
underscore n
equals to
underscore equal to 1.
equals to
So,
1.
so
Yes.
before this all these options, the simple PDB first PDB line is this. So
Yes.
here let's add all these options here. So what we have NOBS equal to total. So before
19.
this, we will what is the
Yes.
name here created in the PDB? In which variable do we get the 19 value?
Workload class.
In the PDB, I'm asking in PDB.
PDB value or so.
Yeah, we will get the value in the PDB itself.
Okay.
So that variable name is total. So
Okay.
total equal to 19. Okay, this variable created inside this PDB, inside the PDB. Next we have the final. So for the final, we have the value
Mm.
as 0, not 1. We have 1
Okay.
for the last
Yes.
observation. Okay.
Yes.
And next we have we have created new variable that is n. In the n, what is the value? N equal to total. Means total variable values are copied to this n. Yes, that is
Then
n
19.
equal to 19. Next we have last. In the last, the value was 0. So, in the first line, we have all these variables. So I have also given the put statement. So in the put statement, I asked total, final, n, and last. So all these are removed. So this is the value we have for the first observation inside the PDB. So you can see total, final, n, last for the total 19, 0, 19, 0. Okay, I have given n 2 times. So we will get n 2 times. Okay, any issues here? Any doubts?
No. No.
Yeah, we will move with next question. That is question number 8. Do you practice all these questions?
No.
Okay, no problem. So here you see again I use the statement, the key block statement inside this in the set statement in the output data set statement. Okay. So now in this, which one will work first?
So drop will work.
Yeah,
And
first drop will work. So next we have keep underscore r underscore. Next we have visit num equal to age plus weight. Okay, new variable will be created, that is this visit num. So in this visit num, we have the value age plus weight. So there was no weight variable, right? Here we drop itself, here itself.
Yes.
So I can see here the variable weight is uninitialized. Okay, so still it was uninitialized. A new variable will be, so if you remove this, a new variable will weight also will be created. Okay, here we given only keep equal to visit num. So only visit num variable will be left. So inside that visit num, it was empty because here we do not have any weight variable. So age plus missing. What will we get?
Missing only.
Yeah, missing. Suppose if I have given here some as function, what value will we get?
We will get age and weight as missing or 0.
So
Both are
here we removed the weight variable.
Yes. Only age.
So only age values was copied to this visit num. Why do we get like this?
And drop is used. So
yeah,
it
drop your
will.
weight.
So I have explained this about this in our class. Suppose if we have two variables a and b, in the a we have one and the b if we have two. So for this, if we if we do like this, dfg equal to a plus b and dfg1 equal to sum of a plus, so sum of a comma b. So whenever we are working with sum statement, so this is called sum statement, this is called sum function. So whenever we are working with sum statement, so we should not have any missing values here. So if we have missing values, so again, non-missing plus missing, we get missing. Something plus missing, it goes missing, right? So like this, in the sum statement, we will get the missing value. But in sum function, we will get the sum of non-missing values. So here, the sum of non-missing is 1 only. So we will get the only one in this EFG1 variable. Do you understand this, or should I have to create a data set?
I understand. Yes.
Yes, sir. I understand. Okay.
Yeah. So this is how some statement and some function work. The same like this here also. So we will move to next question. That is question 9. So here we have in the set statement we have taken the class. Here we have first OBS equal to 5 and OPS equal to 5. So how many observations do we get by these options?
0.
Why 0?
Sir, first OBS should be greater than OBS.
No, not greater than. less than or equal to. Okay, not greater than, less than or equal to OBS. So we will get only 3, 4, 5. We'll get only this Henry observation. Yeah? We will get only one observation. And then y variable, a new variable will be created, that is y. In this y, what is the value here?
Equal to 2nd January 1960. So date literal.
By using date literal, what values will we get? We will get numeric values, right?
Yes.
So in this
Convert,
numeric
have to
value,
convert that one.
Huh?
Have to convert this one, no?
we should convert. So in the numeric value, what is the value? Value will we get in this by variable. So
There are some calculation will be there.
do you know the
Minus.
SAS reference date? What is the SAS reference date?
186.
1st January 1960.
First
Yes.
Jan 1960. So
Nine-
this date is considered as how many days?
Not remember.
48.
This date is considered as 0th date. Okay.
Okay.
If we have
Yes.
2nd Jan 1960. So for this
First.
we have first day. So here what is the value here?
First day. So
We have the numeric value as 1. And the observation is Henry. In this observation, a new variable will be created, that is y. In that y variable, we have the value as 1. So you can see here, it was substituted with Henry. In the y variable, we have the value 1. Okay. No doubts for this question, right?
No.
Yep. We will move it next one. So for this question, I have asked how many observations do we get?
First, here it should be less than.
Yeah, we should be less than.
There.
So we will get the error in
0.
So it shows us the first obvious option greater than obvious option. No data to read in the file class. So this code will not work. Okay.
Yes.
So that's it about class. So next we have section 2. We are moving to section 2. In the section 2, the first question is what are the attributes for a variable? So what are the attributes for a variable?
Name, length.
Name, length.
Then type.
Name, label, length, format, informat, type. We have 6 attributes here. Okay. But all 3 not attempted this question. So I don't know why. So we have 6 attributes. And next we have how to bring the SAS external file to the SAS. So that is an MCQ question. So how do we bring that? In that I given the option set input output keep and none of the options are correct. So how do we bring an external file to the SAS environment?
External file import.
Yeah, import or in file, right?
Yes.
File input.
So that's about that question. So next question we have. So here we have a mean function. So in this we have 5 observations. So
Yes.
by using mean functions, what do we get? We get the average
Average.
value.
Yes.
So how do we get the average value?
Number of observation by total number of
Output.
observation by number of observation.
Sum of observation by number of observation. Sum of non-missing
Yes.
observation by sum of
Total.
not total. Sum of non-missing observation. So here total means we will get the 5 observations. So that is not correct. So here
Okay.
8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 11,
11.
that is
21.
21 by 3.
3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we will
7.
get the
7.
we will get the value 7. Okay. This is how mean function works. Sum of observation by number of observation. That is also called as average value. So let's move with another question. Question 14.
Sir, mean will take always non-missing values.
Yeah, non-missing value. For some
Non-missing value is not calculated.
missing values are not calculated. Non-missing only it will calculate non-missing value. Okay.
Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Missing value is not calculated.
Yeah. Next we have another question. So in this we have two variables, right? X and Y. X and Y. And how many observations do we have here?
Hmm.
So for this I have asked you to write log issues and output. So here we have how many observations do we get?
2.
Yeah, we will get 2 observations. Because we have only 2 outputs. So for the first observation,
Yes.
what is the value?
10.
For
X
Y,
equal to 10. Y.
so here we have the first statement I have given x equal to 10. In the second I have given x equal to missing, that too in character.
Yes.
X variable was already created as a numeric. But here I have given the character value that was missing. So what SAS will do, this SAS will convert this. So it will convert this numeric value or character value to numeric. So even if it was convert this character value to numeric, we will get missing value for the x variable. So till here there is no y variable value, right? So for y variable also we will get the value as missing. So till here after reading till 3 statements, we will get a no conversion node, that is character value has been converted to numeric. And the observation is this missing for both x variable and y variable. Okay. And next we have x equal to 20 and x equal to missing. So for this, what do we get? For the second observation,
I'm only missing will replace.
for X we will get missing. It was replaced with second statement because there was no output statement, right? So,
Hmm.
so before this output statement, there is no value for Y also. So for Y variable also, we will get missing. So all values are missing in two observations and a conversion mode. Okay, scatter value has been converted to numeric, and we have two observations and two variables. Let's open the data set. Okay, so you can see here all are missing.
Yes. Yes.
So no doubt, right?
No.
We will move with another question. That is question number 15. So here we have the
Mm.
intrinsic
In
function.
months. Yes.
So how do this intrinsic function work?
It will difference between the it will differentiate depend on the variable we are given month.
So it gives the
So it will
difference between
month
these
value.
two dates, right?
Yes.
That is August 9,
Yes.
August 2012 and this.
21 September.
So first, how many we have
12 years.
from 2012 to
9 years.
2021?
9 years. 9 years. So 108 months
We have 9 years.
plus
So
yes.
9 years, 9 into 12,
108.
108.
Then plus 1. Then August to September plus 1.
Yeah, August plus September, that is 109, right?
Yes.
And that's it. We get the same value, 109.
Yes.
No dots here, right?
No.
And the next question, that is 15. I have given to write output for this data set. So in this, how many variables do we have?
That is like how many variables? We have 1, 2, digit 1 and digit 14.
Visit 1, visit 14. Can also see here, we have also given a new variable, that is
Digit year.
VST year. So totally we have 3 variables here. In the first variable, what we have, 14th February 2005. So we will get some numeric values. So something like in thousands. Like let's think we have 12,045, and here just to think 18,000. So not an exact number. So we will get the number of days from Jan 1st, 1960 to 14th February 2005. Okay, here also from number of days from Jan 1st, 1916 to 16th March 2009. So next we have VST year. So in this, we are trying to check the difference between these two in the years.